What is up, my britches? If you're new here, hello, my name is Brittany. I am in my grandma sweater, got my garbage person merch on. I wanted to do a little pack with me video because we're gonna be going out of town for this weekend to surprise my bestie for his 30th birthday, and we're leaving in about 2 hours and I still haven't packed my shit yet. So that's what we're gonna do today, is just show you what makeup that I'm going to bring with me to New York City for the weekend. So I'm not gonna pack a lot. I'm gonna just try to keep it like one product per thing that I need, if that made any sense. If I seem a little like not my normal chipper self, it's because I haven't been to bed yet. I plan on sleeping in the car on the drive down there. But yeah, I haven't done one of these videos and I'm a nosy bitch. I love watching these types of videos, so I figure if I'm a nosy bitch, you probably are too. So that's what we're gonna do in today's video. I'm just gonna walk you through everything that I'm going to bring. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys do like it, make sure you guys hit the thumbs up button. And yeah, if you want more makeup content, I guess, subscribe. All right. So the bag that I'm going to be using is from Sephora. They don't carry this pattern anymore. This was holiday, I think 2 years ago. I think this is called the Weekender bag. So this is just my go-to travel makeup bag. I'm not thinking I'm going to fill this, but you never know. I mean, I probably don't even need to bring anything, considering I can't go to New York City without going to Sephora, but that's neither here nor there. And we're not judging what this table looks like right now, okay? I haven't cleaned this room. It's a hot ass mess. Maybe I'll do a clean with me video. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. So I'm gonna start with my primer. I don't want to bring something big and bulky, so I'm not gonna bring my Tatcha. I think I'm going to bring this one. This is the L'Oreal Magic Perfecting Base. I've had this for a really long time and I just need to really use it up. But this is my favorite drugstore primer. This is a really nice pore filler primer. I haven't tried the Tarte smoothing one, but I feel like this is going to be a dupe for it. I'll let you guys know if I do end up trying that one, but this is my favorite pore filler primer at the drugstore. So only going to bring one primer. Now let's move on to my concealer. I'm definitely bringing my NARS, was this the Soft Matte? I just talked about this in my recommendations video. The Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I have the shade Custard. I love this for my spot concealing, so I'm definitely bringing this one. This is like my go-to for that right now. So that's gonna go right in there. And then for my other concealer, because I do like my spot concealing with this one, but concealer for the rest of my face, I'm gonna bring the Too Faced Born This Way. This is the multi-use sculpting concealer. I have the shade Light Beige. Now I just did self tan. I probably need a darker shade than this one, but we'll make that one work. So I'm gonna bring that one. For foundation, what foundation do I wanna bring? I kind of wanna bring my, do I want to bring my Dior Air Flash? Or do I want to bring the Physicians Formula? Oh my god, there's so many foundations. Yeah, I'm going to bring the Dior Air Flash. I think that I'll end up using this up while I'm there, which that will be a bonus because it doesn't feel like there's a lot left in here. I have the shade 400. This will actually match me perfectly right now. So that's the foundation I'm going to bring. Now let's go into the next drawer. Contour slash bronzer. I'm going to bring my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand. Talked about that in my Sephora recommendations. A lot of these are probably going to be repeats from my recommendations video because I'm just loving them right now. I think for my blush, no, that's not the one I want to bring. I want to bring the Tower 28 Beach Please Luminous Tinted Balm. I talked about this in my recommendations video. I'm going to link that above, but I love this so much. So I'm going to bring this one because I did pick out my outfits already. I probably should have filmed that too, but I'm bringing like a lot of greens, yellows, just the fall vibes that will go really nicely with those. So I'm gonna bring that one. Do I want to bring a liquid highlighter? Not really. Oh yes, I do. I'm gonna bring my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter that you can't read the fucking bottle anymore. That's gonna come with me for my liquid highlighter slash give me a superstar youth glow. Let's go to my bronzer drawer. I already got my contour. Okay, bronzer, this one's gonna be easy. We're gonna bring our Hourglass. No, I'm gonna bring just a palette, a face palette. Hourglass Ambient Edit Unlocked palette, because that will have my blushes, highlight, bronzers. All of that will be right in there. So I think I'm gonna still bring another highlighter. Do I wanna bring another one? Let me look. I really don't need to. A bitch just likes to have her options. No, I think I'm just gonna stick with that face palette. That seems good. So I don't need a blush. Is that on my face? Oh my god. Loose powder. What am I thinking? I'm going to bring my... I'm gonna bring this one. This is not the Laura Mercier. This is actually the RCMA No Color Powder. I'm gonna bring this one just because it's in like a small compact. That's the only reason why. It's not my favorite powder, but it's a powder that I like, and it's mini / travel friendly. Oh, so face powder, got those. I think that's it for face products. I have that feeling right now like I'm forgetting something. Hold on, let me look. Primer, concealer, foundation, contour, highlight, blush, set the face with this, go in with this. Yeah, that's all of my face products. Now, eyeshadow palette. I'm debating between 3, but I'm leaning towards the Metropolis palette just because of the outfits that I picked out. This will just work for all of them, and I can kind of justify it because I didn't bring a lot of other stuff. So I think I'm gonna bring this palette. So as of right now, this is the one I'm bringing. I'm gonna put this back in its box. I'm gonna reorganize this before we actually leave, but I'm just throwing it in here for now. So 1 eyeshadow palette, that's all I need. So now let me go and get my liners. I'm gonna move this back. I'm gonna bring the shade Pink of Me, Nude. I think that's all I need. Oh, I'll bring a black one too, just in case. Where's my Ardency and Monster liner? Where are thou? There it is, I see it. Okay, so I'm gonna bring black, nude, pink. This is just my favorite right now. So Marc Jacobs highliner. This is the Rimmel Exaggerate Waterproof Definer in the shade In the Nude, and then the Monster liner, and I think this is just black, but I can't even read that anymore. So these are the 3 liners that I'm gonna bring. Now, next thing I need are going to be lashes. If I have any of these left, these are the ones I'm gonna bring. The Bold Face, what are these called? Lashes for Days. These are like my current favorite lashes right now. I had 3 different pairs, and I think I'm down to just this one. So I'm gonna bring this one, and then I think I wanna bring one of my Sugar Baby ones just in case we go out, because that's what I'm assuming that we're gonna do. I think I'm gonna bring the Style Sugar Baby. I love these lashes so much, so I'm gonna bring those. Oh, hi, editing me. Guess what I forgot to fucking pack? Lash glue. So brow product, I'm gonna bring my Collab Shape and Shade Ultrafine Brow Pencil. I get this at Sally Beauty. I've been really liking this. I still like the Anastasia one more than this one, but this is very, very similar to that. I just don't think the formula is as good as Anastasia, but that's the one I've been using, so that's what I'm gonna bring. And the shade matches my hair really nicely right now. Lip pencil, I'm going to bring the Gerard Cosmetic lip pencil in the shade Share. Share. Wow, that's so hard to say. This is the one I'm gonna bring. That's my current favorite one in my collection right now. I only really need 1, so that's all I'm going to bring. For mascara, I think I'm going to bring the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. That's the one I've been using a lot lately, and I've been really liking that as well. Back to brows, I'm going to bring the Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel. I like this a lot, especially when I'm like lazy with my brows. This just gives me the quick ability to really fill them in quick. Did I get everything? I'm actually gonna bring one of these like liquid liners just in case. Let me find where I keep them in here. I'm gonna bring my NYX, what is this called? The Epic Ink Liner. This is such a good wing liner pen, but it's got like a brush tip. Oh, it's so good. That's my favorite application for these types of things, is the brush tip. Love that. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I need makeup wise. I know I need to get my brushes all together, but that shouldn't take me long either. Yeah, I think this is everything except for lip products. So let me see what lip products I want to grab. Can you tell the kind of vibe that I'm going for? I'm just sitting over here having a swatch party. Oh, there's my Tower 28 gloss. I've been looking everywhere for you. But this is coming with me. Oh my god, this is such a good, juicy, wet gloss. Oh my god. So bomb. I'm going to take my Fussy Gloss Bomb as well. Beautiful gloss. Hope you guys could see that. Oh my god. Can you guys tell I'm tired today? Holy Jesus. Those are the only 2 glosses I'm going to take. Oh, hold on. Let me grab my Ofra. Let me see if there's any of these from the Samantha March collaboration that I want to take, because this was such a beautiful little lip set. And I love this formula. If you want a long-lasting formula that doesn't dry out your lips and make them feel like trash after, this is the formula I would highly recommend. These are the long-lasting liquid lipsticks. That was the shade Manila. It's that one right there. I think I might take all 3 of these because they go with all of those outfits that I'm bringing. This is the shade Pasadena. And then the last one is going to be Las Olas. This one is so pretty. Oh, it's so good. You can even like mix this one with Manila. That's an even better lip cocktail. I'm gonna take all 3 of these. So I think I'm going to bring, I'm debating between MAC Fix Plus or my Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray in the Mint Chocolate. Or if I wanna bring the Tower 28 Daily Rescue, because then I can use this with my skincare as well. Decisions. We'll bring the Slay All Day. Okay, this is all of the makeup that I'm bringing. I know for most people this is excessive, but this is my traditional full face of makeup. Now I just need my brushes. First one I'm gonna bring is the Sephora 64. This was my #1 recommendation from the Sephora sale. Love that so much for all of my creams and liquids. I do want to bring the Sephora 55 because this is what I like to set my face with my loose powder. And then I can also do my bronzer. I can do pretty much everything with this. I'm gonna bring that one. I do wanna bring my Smashbox, what is this, the Precise Highlighting Brush. That's my favorite highlighting brush right now. I do really like to use a brush for my spot concealing. I like this P82 from Sigma. Really nice, precise application. I think that's all the brushes that I'm going to, or no, let's bring my NARS Ita brush because I just like that for my contour. 5 brushes, that's good. Now we've got eye brushes. I'm gonna bring these ones with me. Oh my god, I didn't even tell you guys I got these. Let me share them with you and then I'll put them right in my bag because I'm just over a particular brand that's in here. I still need to go through this, but I want to show you guys these first. So I got 5 brushes. I got the, what is this, the Sigma E36. Oh my god, this packaging. I remember when Sigma just gave you like the plastic sleeves, so they've definitely picked up on the packaging game for sure. So this is what that brush looks like. Oh, it feels so good to have new brushes in my collection. So this one's gonna go with me. I'm gonna probably take all of these. I also got the what is this, the E62. This is for a cut crease. The shape of this really intrigued me, but then when I got it, I'm like, ooh, it's a little bit bigger than I was expecting it to be. So let me get this out of the packaging. So this is what that brush looks like. So this one here is going to be the E27. It's just a more precise, just kind of like a, it almost has like a paddle shape to it. Really thin. It just gives me a really nice blended out crease. I really do like this brush. So I'm gonna bring that one. I also got the E33. This is going to be the Detailed Diffused Crease Brush. I'm just so into these Sigma brushes right now. So it's going to be this one right here. And then I think this is the last one. This is going to be the Sigma E42. This will be the Precision Firm Blender. This was another one from their newest collection. So I got these brushes right here. I do need something that's more of like a fluffy blending brush. I'll bring my Sephora, what is this? The Sephora 38. I'll bring that one. That's more than enough. And then I want to bring one more brush. I definitely cannot travel without my MAC 242. Love this brush so much, especially for those Natasha Denona metallics. One more brush I want to bring is the Alamar Cosmetics. This is just their like flat definer brush. I really like this brush a lot. I love like all the brushes that were in this little green collection. I like the pink collection as well, but I like the green one better. And then I want to bring a pencil brush as well. And then I think that will be everything. So I'm going to bring my Wayne Goss, what is this, the number 5. I'm just going to clean these really quick before I put them in here, but this is going to be everything that I'm bringing. I know this is probably excessive for some people, but don't fucking judge me, okay? This is what I feel comfortable traveling with, and normally this thing, I have makeup filled, I can barely zip it, and then I still have makeup in like a second bag. So this is really good for me. So I'm proud of myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, thumbs it up. If you don't, you can thumbs it down or just carry on with your day. That's cool too. But I hope you guys did enjoy it, and I hope to see you guys in my next one.